Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Cocomo and getting your camera ready. Do this now. Grant camera permission if prompted, because the scan cannot proceed without it. Position the QR code flat, steady, and remove strong reflections. Once done, frame it in the center of the on-screen guide. Keep a distance of about 1/2 to 2 meters. Move closer slowly until Cocomo recognizes the pattern. You'll see a subtle outline when the code is in focus. Hold steady and prepare to capture. Now align the QR code inside Cocomo's scan frame and keep your hands steady. Small movements blur the pattern. If the app doesn't lock focus, tap the screen to force autofocus or enable the flashlight for dim environments to improve contrast. Once Cocomo reads the code, you'll hear a confirmation sound and see a brief overlay. Do not move the device until that feedback appears. This ensures the app captures data accurately and avoids partial reads that cause errors. Finally, verify the content Cocomo extracted and follow the next action. Open a link, fill a form, or grant permissions. Make sure the URL or data looks correct before you proceed, because you are the gatekeeper. If the scan fails, clean the lens, change angle, and try again with stronger light. Those simple fixes solve most problems. For stubborn issues, restart the app, check for updates, and if needed, capture a screenshot of the QR and contact support so they can diagnose the failure.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.